A drug recall is one of the most serious actions in pharmaceutical regulation. It occurs when a marketed medicine is found to be unsafe, defective, or mislabeled. One of the most classical and widely discussed examples is the recall of ranitidine. Ranitidine was a commonly used medication for acid reflux and peptic ulcer disease. For decades, it was considered safe and widely prescribed across the world. However, in 2019, regulatory authorities detected the presence of N-Nitrosodimethylamine or NDMA in certain ranitidine products. NDMA is classified as a probable human carcinogen. Even though the levels were initially low, further investigation showed that NDMA could increase over time, especially when the drug was stored at higher temperatures. This raised serious concerns about long-term exposure and cancer risk. Regulatory agencies such as the FDA and EMA conducted laboratory testing and risk assessments. They concluded that the impurity could exceed acceptable limits during normal storage conditions. As a result, multiple manufacturers initiated voluntary recalls, and eventually ranitidine products were withdrawn from many markets.
This case represents a typical Class 2 drug recall where the product may cause temporary or reversible adverse health effects but is unlikely to cause immediate serious harm.
The ranitidine recall highlights the importance of post-marketing surveillance. Even after approval, drugs continue to be monitored for quality and safety. Impurities can arise from manufacturing processes, degradation pathways, or packaging conditions. Regulatory affairs plays a central role in managing such recalls. It coordinates communication with health authorities, ensures proper product withdrawal, and oversees corrective and preventive actions. The key lesson from this case is that drug safety does not end at approval. Continuous monitoring, quality control, and regulatory vigilance are essential to protect public health.